In this video, I will show you how to watch movies completely for free. These websites are 100% legal and safe, but you will likely have to watch an occasional ad, and you may not find every movie you're looking for, but you will definitely find many high-quality films that are worth watching. However, I won't dive into options that offer free movies but are restricted to only one country. Examples like tubetv.com, voodoo.com, Freebie, and Peacock TV are only available to US residents. At number 1, we have movies on YouTube, and you don't even need to open another app or website. You're already here. In the past, YouTube had a movie section on the left-hand side of the page where you could buy or rent movies, and they even had free movies and series available to watch. Sadly, this is no longer available, and now you can only buy or rent. However, if you use YouTube's search bar and type the name of the movie plus the language you want to watch it in, you're likely to find it complete right here on YouTube. This way, I found great classic films that I've enjoyed with my friends while traveling.
The next day, Dick and I meet up to discuss going back to the old format, and as we're talking, there's a knock at the service window.
Sí, por favor.
Y me dio pena. Encendí la parrilla y preparé el pedido. Aquí tienes, hijo.
Y cuando se estaba yendo, un auto se detiene. Y luego otro.
Tá bom. Levamos a equipe toda para lá e colocamos todos em ação fingindo fazer hambúrgueres e fritas.
Escuta, Steve.
As a bonus tip, you can not only find free movies on YouTube, but also audiobooks, especially in Portuguese. Seriously, when I was learning the language, I thought I had to buy all my audiobooks in Portuguese, but I found a lot of them on YouTube. The next site is Pluto.tv. When you enter Pluto.tv, the video will start playing automatically, just like watching TV. At the bottom, you will see a long list of TV shows and movies that are currently playing or coming soon. If you prefer to choose what to watch, at the top of the website or at the bottom bar on the mobile version, tap on Demand and you will see a long list of series and movies to choose from. You can also use the search bar to find the show or movie you want. Alright, I hope you found 1 or 2 good movies to watch for free. If you found one, write it in the comments so we can all have recommendations. For more tutorials, tricks and tips with your phone, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.